Hi guys, this is RPGboy back. Part 2 of the pack opening of Fake Collide and Breakthrough. There's no more Breakthrough. Let's get crack-a-lackin'. These are really hard to open now. Here we go. We got a Trainer, last is special. Wigglypuff, pretty good card. Trainer, Coughing, Spoink, Diglett, Larvitar, Carbink, Steel, and a Reniclus, I think. It was an okay pack. Let's go to the Magic Wizard dude. Hopefully in these last two packs there's an EX. We got Regirock over there. Only EX we got so far. Trainer Ultra Ball. Yep, I think there's an EX from I got in the back. Servine. Trainer Cotney. Coughing. Spoink. Makino. Diglett. Markowalk. Mega Alakazam EX Full Art. Best Pokemon. Best Mega I got. Well, not best, but really good. This will go with our... Actually, these two will go over here. Wow, best pack that we got yet. Here we go. Last pack. The Milkshake Maker. Hopefully, we can do this. My favorite Pokemon YouTuber, the Unlisted Leaf. Subscribe for him and me. Waterram. Trainer Fossil. Evocation. Trainer. Deerling, Snubble, Myconil, Bronzer, Larvitar, and a Mr. Mime. Well, this was a really good pack. Hope you liked the video. Hope you liked the Mega Alakazam Full Art. And this is the end of part 2. Peace.